Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to create new account on TikTok. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have installed TikTok app on your device. This process is going to be similar for iOS and Android device. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Here I go. Now go to profile which is given at the bottom right corner. Tap on that. Now you can see different options for sign up. All you have to do is choose any of them. I will be choosing use phone or email. Now I have to fill up my date of birth. After you are done, you can tap on next on that red icon. Now you have to choose your phone number or email address. I will be using email address. After you are done, you can tap on next on that red icon. Here you have to verify to continue the process. Here I go. Now you have to create password suitable for your TikTok account. After you have chose password for your TikTok app, tap on next on that red icon. Now you have to create username for your new TikTok account. Okay, it must be not similar to other accounts. So you have to choose unique one. Now you can tap on sign up on that red icon after you are done. Finally, you have created new TikTok account. You can see that in this way you can create new TikTok account. I hope this video helped you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.